Hello, hello, hello. Can you guys hear me? 1, 2, 3, testing. Hello. Anyone? Anyone? Can you guys hear me? All right. Okay. Good morning, everyone. So let's talk about the trading plan that I posted today um, on the Discord, right? So as you guys can see here, I'm telling you guys, we strongly suggest to not follow any signals and not taking any positions until JOLTS is released, because JOLTS is the one who is going to give the direction of the day. We might be going bullish, and then after the news, we're going to go all the way down, or we could be going bullish, and after the news, we can go extremely to the highest of the day, the week, or whatever. JOLTS is the one who actually moves the market more, all right, guys? So don't trade, okay? Even though the indicators now, the strategies and the signals are going to be on, because like it's a system, it's programmed to be on 9:30. Don't follow any signals, don't follow any strategy, don't do anything until JOLTS. All right, don't trade until 10. That's the plan. Okay. All right. So taking a look here on my pre-market, on my pre-market charts right here. What we have. Let me go back to my. Let me go back to my intermediate. No, that's probably this one. All right, okay. And by the way, guys, now you have um, layouts. If you're going to trade the extreme, you open this layout. It's going to be all you need to trade extreme. Vida Loca, open this layout. It's gonna have everything you need to trade Vida Loca. And moderate is gonna have all you need to trade moderate. All right. So, and mean reversion, same thing. All information needed to trade mean reversion. And so you have one layout for extreme, one for Vida Loca, one for moderate, one for mean reversion. All right, and you can create your own layout, of course. Okay. All right. So guys, this is the thing that we are having here today with the trading plan. Let me bring this thing to the side. So 5,500 is the main level of the day. We are going to open around this level here, 75, okay? But one thing that I want to show you guys is here, if you go to VANA, all right, and you go and you take a look on this bar on 5,480 is a negative VANA bar, is negative VANA. And then we are on the 75. So if this bar is above price with negative VANA and the implied volatility is decreasing, VANA suggests to sell. So we should be expecting a bounce on 5,480. You see this negative VANA here, right here, right? So we are going to open around 75. 80 is negative VANA. And by the system, if the bar is above, we have negative VANA with implied volatility decreasing, VANA suggests to sell. So might be a bounce here on 80. But the thing is, we already had this bounce on 80 at 7, 8, at it was around 80, 745, something like that. We had this bounce already on 80. So the bounce is here. This red bar here is telling us that it's a bounce on the 80 and on the 85, right? But we already had this bounce, so I don't know if we're gonna have a bounce again here because of VANA, right? Now, talking about the levels, what we have here. If we break 75, like probably break, you guys see that 80, it's kind of suspicious. We don't know what's going to happen on 80, so it's better for you to wait. Now, if we break 80 and we have blue DDF, VIX keep going down, yields going down, VIX down, yields down, blue DDF, and we break 80, we might be taking a trade to 90, all right? Now, 90 could be a bounce as well, okay? That could be a bounce. So take your profits on 90, and wait a little bit because could be a bounce. Either you take a profit or you enter half position for a bounce. And if we break 90, then we're gonna go to 500, right? And then 500 by the size of this bar right here and the relevance of this level, probably 99% chance to have a bounce here. But because of jolts and the news and all the excitement that could happen on the market, we might be, if jolts is really good, we're gonna break this level, we're gonna go all the way to 25 here, all right? So listen, if we reach 500 before jolts, it is a bounce, okay? Now, if we don't reach 500 before the jolts, and jolts is really, really good, don't trade the bounce here because there is a risk to break this level and go all the way to the 25, all right? Okay, now, regular market conditions would be wait to break 80. If we break 80, we're gonna go to 90. It's a bounce on 90. If we break 90, we're gonna go to 500. It's a bounce on 500. And it doesn't matter what happens here, that could be the end of the day. If we get a good trade from 80 to 90, and then 90, a bounce, and then 90 to 500, that's 3 trades right here. It's the end of the day. You don't have to do anything else, okay? Regular market conditions. But if nothing happens until jolts, and jolts are good, then we can start trading the breaking of 90, the break of 500, and all the way to 525. Okay, cool. Now, regular market conditions bear. If we see VIX is coming up, yields is coming up, and we have red DDF all over the place. So that's gonna be bear market, all right? With bear market, we have to wait to break 70, which is this one. We're gonna open around 75. We have to wait to break 70, all right? If we break 70 with VIX going up, yields going up, and all red DDF here, then we can start trading to 60. 60 could be the first target and also the first bounce. 60 should be a bounce, all right? Now, if we break 60, then 50 is the next target, 40, and then all the way to the 20 or 25. 20, I think is better, right? Now, listen, regular market conditions, I would say probably we're going to have this bounce on 75. We have to wait to break 70. If we break 70 with all red and VIX going up, we're going to trade it towards 60, all right? This bar right here. 60 could have a bounce, so a quick bounce, but be smart about, all right? See if we have more than 85% on DDF. If we have more than 85%, don't do the bounce. If we have less, you can try the bounce, right? But again, 60 could be the bounce. If we break 60, which is very possible, we're gonna go to 50. And again, 50 should be a second target for bears and also a bounce here, 60, 50, all right? That's regular market conditions. Regular market conditions is you break 70, you go all the way to 60, try the bounce on 60. If that works, awesome. If that doesn't work, try to trade it to the 50. We're gonna take profit here and try the bounce on 50. That's it. 4 trades for the day, you're done. Regular market conditions. But if jolts come really, really bad, then we will see before 60, and then you can trade towards 50, wait a little bit, and then trade it towards the 20, all right? If jolts is bad, we're gonna break the 60, we're gonna break 50, and we're gonna reach the 20, okay, guys? So as you guys can understand, today, it's all about what's gonna happen on jolts. If jolts are good, we're gonna break 90, 500, and go all the way to 25, 525. If jolts are bad, we're gonna break 60, 50, and maybe go all the way to 425, 420. All right, that's what I can see. But I don't know. Market can uh, break all the levels and go all the way down or all the way up, depending how strong is the jolts news. All right, guys. Okay. So I guess that's it. So again, keep your eyes open in what VIX is doing, yields is doing, and the DDF. VIX down, yields down, blue DDF, we only trade long. VIX up, yields up, red DDF, we only trade short. All right, guys? Okay. Again, I wouldn't connect to my bots until 10 a.m. Right after 10 a.m. after 10 and 1 or 2 after the news, we can connect to the bots and we can start trading. That should be a very good day for a directional market after the jobs. All right, so let's see what's going to happen. And that's it. We keep talking on Discord. I see you guys later. And by the way, today we're not going to have the DDF strategy working. The bot DDF strategy is not going to be working because we had to fix some things on spread because the whole thing works on SP5 on SPX, but the trade is gone on ES, and that gives us a lot of difference. So the backtest results that we had yesterday, it's not real because the spread and the slippage on ES is huge. So we're going to disconnect this bot today. This strategy is not going to happen today until we figure out how to deal with this slippage. All right. So far, you guys have the extreme, vida loca, moderate, and mean reversion. All right. I will trade today. I will trade moderate because extreme and vida loca for today, they could be good if we have a directional market, right? But today I will trade my account on moderate. Okay, guys. So this is it. Again, I will be on Discord with you guys. And that's it. Eric, when I look at so do I need to add 40 points to get the ES price? Yes, yes. 40 points is the difference. All right. The difference between SPX and ES today is around 40 points. Okay, guys. All right. Take care, everybody. We're gonna keep talking on Discord. All right. Bye bye.